Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where I'll guide you through the straightforward process of closing your American Express account. Whether you're decluttering your wallet, switching to a new card, or just reevaluating your finances, it's important to handle this carefully to avoid any surprises. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you close your account, take a moment to review it. Log into your American Express online portal or app and check for any outstanding balances, pending transactions, or unused rewards. If you have a balance, you'll need to pay it off completely. American Express won't close the account until it's settled. This step is crucial because unpaid balances could lead to fees or damage your credit score. Once you're all clear, the next step is to contact American Express customer service. You can call their dedicated line at 1-800-528-4800 or use the chat feature on their website for a more convenient option. When you reach an agent, clearly state that you want to close your account. Be prepared to provide your account details, like your full name, account number, and possibly some security verification questions. The agent will walk you through the confirmation process, which might include discussing any potential implications, such as losing accumulated rewards or how this could affect your credit history. Make sure to ask for written confirmation of the closure via email or mail. It's your proof that everything went smoothly. If you're closing due to issues like high fees, this is a good time to voice your feedback. After the call, keep an eye on your statements for a couple of months to ensure no unauthorized charges pop up and that the account is indeed closed. Remember, closing an account can impact your credit utilization, so if you're planning big purchases soon, you might want to rethink the timing. In summary, closing your American Express account is simple but requires attention to detail. Always prioritize your financial health and double-check everything. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.